Hello everyone, myself Shanvi from 6th standard Euro International School Conditional. Today we discuss about conditional statement and make a program to check the given number is odd or even. So let's start with Python ideally. First of all, we take a number from user by using input function and store it into variable number. Now we apply the condition. If our number is divided by 2 and we get remainder 0. Then our number is even, otherwise odd number. Now Now we run this code. Our enter number is 5. Our output is odd number. Now we type 4. Our output number is even number. Thank you. Have a nice day.